In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 1xBet promo code for free. It will be very simple to do, whereby you will come and click on registration right up here. So by doing so, you will just come and choose the method of inscription. For example, if you start by using by email, and here now you will just enter all your informations, be it from your show names right up to from going down and entering the information to the promo code. So here you will enter the promo code BOTV, which this promo code will help you to have 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount, for example, of $10, you will perceive or receive or even obtain up till $30 because of this promo code. And then by doing so, you will now enter the terms and conditions by accepting them and then click on register. And then know that by doing this, you must have asked to somebody who has this promo code. More so, you will be just going out there. By going out now, you can also use other methods or options like by phone. For example, if you choose the option by phone, so you will just enter your code and your phone number, the currency. Also, you will just enter back the promo code BOTV, which will be applicable for all the registration methods of 1xBet. And by then doing so, you will just enter the terms and conditions, accept the privacy policy,